Everyone wants to sell their home quickly, but not at the expense of leaving money on the table. If speed is your top priority, you need more than luck. You need a clear strategic plan. So if you're sitting in Quincy, Illinois, asking yourself, how do I sell this place fast? This video is for you. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time real estate broker based right here in Quincy. Over the years, I've helped countless homeowners sell their properties fast and smart. And I can tell you this, selling quickly doesn't come from cutting corners. It comes from preparation, pricing, and powerful marketing that gets the right buyers in the door fast. Let's start with the biggest misconception. People often think selling fast means selling cheap. That's not true. What it really means is making smart decisions before your home ever hits the market. A rushed listing without preparation is one of the main reasons homes sit longer than they should. So what's the first step? Get your home looking its best. I know it sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how many sellers skip this. I'm not talking about renovating your entire kitchen or putting in brand new flooring. I'm talking about low-cost, high-impact changes, like deep cleaning, decluttering, and staging your rooms to show off their size and function. Buyers in Quincy are usually looking for move-in ready homes. If they walk into a space that feels neglected, it slows everything down. Even something as simple as neutralizing paint colors or replacing outdated light fixtures can give your home a fresher, more modern feel, and it can be done quickly. Once your home is prepped, the next piece is pricing. And I cannot stress this enough. Price it right from day one. One of the top reasons a house doesn't sell quickly is that it's priced too high early on. When you overprice, you lose the initial surge of interest that happens when a listing is new. And by the time you do drop the price, many serious buyers have already moved on. Here in Quincy, we have a steady but competitive market. I study local MLS data weekly, what's selling, how long it's taking, and what buyers are actually willing to pay. I use this data, combined with a walkthrough of your property, to recommend a price that's both realistic and aggressive. The goal? Attract multiple buyers fast and get strong offers right out of the gate. Now let's talk marketing, because this is where speed and strategy really come together. Selling fast means you need visibility from the moment your home hits the market. That's why I invest in professional photography, walkthrough video tours, and 360 property tours when needed. Your first showing is online, so the better your home looks digitally, the more foot traffic you'll get in real life. And I don't stop at just the MLS. Your home gets pushed across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Zillow, plus my network of active local agents and buyers who are watching every new listing that comes up. I also run targeted ads to reach people searching specifically for homes in Quincy. This multi-layered approach is how I get the right eyes on your home quickly and keep the momentum going. Now let's talk offers. When buyers know a home is well presented, priced right, and getting attention, they act fast. But that doesn't mean you say yes to the first offer without looking deeper. I help you evaluate everything: price, closing timeline, financing type, contingencies, and we choose the offer that gets you to the finish line fastest, with the least amount of friction. And finally, I handle everything behind the scenes to keep the transaction moving. From inspections to title work to making sure the appraisal is ordered and back, my job is to keep your sale on track and eliminate delays. Fast doesn't have to mean chaotic, not when you've got someone who knows how to manage every step. So if you're looking to sell your home quickly in Quincy, here's the truth. It is possible to sell fast without giving your house away. With the right prep, pricing, and local marketing plan, we can get your home sold and get you moving, on your terms and on your timeline. Call me today for a confidential conversation. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, and I'd love to help you sell your home fast and with confidence, right here in Quincy, Illinois.